Hey everybody, here we have the 8-quart Instapot. Kroger's has them, well, at least of mine. Normally they're $140, on sale for $99.99. But if you use the Kroger app, you have digital coupon for $20 off of this, plus an extra one for $16 off of housewares. Houseware. So I got this for like $72.93, I think it was, after tax and all that. Again, normally 140. So I got it for almost 50. Oh, and I use my credit card that gets me 5% cash back at grocery stores. So I did get it for 50% off. Nice. The Instapot is a pressure cooker. It's like, oh, you want to do mashed potatoes? 20 minutes. If you cut them first, 5 minutes. If you want to do like baked potato, you can do 4 baked potatoes in about 20 minutes. 4 of them. Done. Pasta is all the Googling I found says if it says 12 minutes, 6. If it says 10, 5. Whatever it says on the box, cut in half. That's how long it takes to do pasta. But big box like this, let's see what's inside. What's in the box? Ooh, ways. Does it come with a soup spoon, rice paddle, measuring cup, steam rack, manual recipe book? Wow, it comes with a recipe book? Ooh. Cooking timetable to help you understand. User manual. Alright, we'll set that off to the side. Styrofoam. Bad for the environment. Don't know why they would use that. Throwing in plastic bad for the environment too. Ooh, hello. Bubble wrap. Ooh. Play that later. Easily amused. Dun, 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 dun. Immediately drops it. Thing is big. That's what she said. Don't let that joke go. Could you? Nope. Oh, there you go. Man, this thing has some heft to it. There's a steam release valve. Because, like, when you have the pressure in there and you need to relieve pressure, it's like, alright, so it's sealed, half release. I've seen people using spoons like, and tap. So it can be a little dangerous with the steam, but, oh, warning. Hot steam from steam release valve can cause burns. Do not place hand, face, or unprotected skin over. Get a maybe better look at the front. And in fact, speaking of pasta, that's what I'm about to be making. And what was it? The one video I saw. You can use this for everything. Start with the meat, put it on, I think it says simmer mode. Put it on simmer mode, put your meat in there. And then once the meat is nice and brown, put in the pasta, put in the water, close the lid, walk away. 5-6 minutes later, you come back, done. Normally, you'd be like, oh, I need a pan for the meat, pot for the, this pasta. And if I'm going to be making my own pasta sauce, maybe another pan to simmer this in the pot, or whatever to boil the simmer, saute, whatever that. Like, it could be taking up all 4 burners. It's like, well, I got to take up all 4 burners. I got all these dishes left over. Now, according to this, do it all right in here. I'm about to cook stuff. I'll probably edit stuff together, like using the cell phone or that camera to like be like, hey, here's this, here's that. So, let's watch. And here we go. You got the spoons, measuring cup. That goes on the bottom of inside of here, which also has this. This thing is like, man, 8 quarts is just huge. Wow. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. That's what she said. Anyways, alright, time for me to start getting cooking. I'm going to try to do everything with just this to see if I can. See if it's as easy as people claim it is. Alright guys, so doing this by trial and error. Got the meat in there, done. Did this saute with the lid off, like I said. Just added the water and added in salad shells. I think I did it right. Hopefully that's 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Or at least I thought I set it for 6 minutes 30 seconds. Following the instructions on Start 10 seconds after selection. Uh-oh. I may have set it to 6.5 hours. I'll just have to keep track of the time. Let's see, what is it? 2:25, so by 2:30 it should be done. Again, going by the, if it says 12, do it in 6. If it says 14, do it in 7, whatever. So I guess I'll just have to keep track of the time a little bit. I'll be able to figure it out eventually, I'm sure. Anyways, time to turn off and then wait to see what happens next. And I'm sure you can hear the steam coming out. First time I hit it, man, I jumped. Let's see. See? Off and then wait for it, wait for it. That time I wasn't surprised by it. Yeah, that first time, holy hell, I jumped. Oh man, that was a lot louder than I thought it'd be. It was off. We'll see how it turns out. Alright, I think it actually took me longer to cook it this way than normal, but this is it. This is all I have to clean. I don't have to clean the stovetop. I don't have to clean 2 pans, 2 pots. Like, this is it, people. I clean this little item right here and I'm done. Well, on the spoon, but I have to get some bowls out. I'm going to have to mix the sauce in and all that. But still, I'm done. It's cooked. I have one thing to clean afterwards. Nice. Well, it's still extremely warm, but the few bites I've taken taste pretty good. Even better, I only used 1 can of sauce instead of 2 like I normally would, because it seems to be mixing so well together that I didn't need to use a second one to get full coverage, whatever you want to call it. So hey, got an extra can left. So next time I make pasta, I don't need to buy a thing of sauce because I already got a thing of sauce. Well, alright. Hope you guys enjoy this. As always, like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.